Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be reviewing with you 10 of the most common false cognates in Spanish. Have you ever used a word in Spanish thinking you were using something else just to find that a native speaker had to tell you you were using the incorrect word? Well, that's okay. I'm here to help you. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you what are some of the most common false cognates words in Spanish and the correct words that you will need to use in a sentence. Don't forget, you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Without further ado, let's begin. So what exactly are false cognates? False cognates are words that are similar in the spelling between languages, but they are completely different words. For example, the word similar, spelled like similar. It means similar in Spanish. Animal, animal. They are true cognates for both English and Spanish. But what about false cognates? The first word that I will show you is grappa. Grappa looks like the word grape, right? Wrong. Grappa means staples. Uvas means grape. The next word, embarazada. What does embarazada look like? Embarrassed? Yes, it looks like embarrassed, but it does not mean embarrassed. It means pregnant. The correct word for embarrassed would be vergüenza. Another false cognate word is éxito. Now, éxito. What word do you think of in English when you see éxito? Exit, right? So does it mean exit? No. Éxito means success. The correct word for exit in Spanish is salida. When you want to ask someone where is the exit, would you ask ¿Dónde está el éxito? No. You would simply say ¿Dónde está la salida? Where is the exit? Another word is pie. P-I-E. Now, what do you think of when you read the English word P-I-E? Pie, right? But in Spanish, it does not mean pie. It means foot. Be very careful. You never want to say, este pie es delicioso. Wrong. You want to say, este pastel es delicioso. The correct word for pie is pastel, not pie. Another Spanish false cognate word is ropa. Ropa looks like the English word rope, but it does not mean rope. Ropa means clothes. The correct Spanish word for rope is soga or cuerda. Recordar. What does that word look to you in English? Record, right? Now, does it mean the same thing? No. If it's on this list, it's not the same. Recordar means to remember. The correct word for record would be grabar, not recordar. Again, recordar means to remember. Grabar means to record. The next word on our list is largo. What word reminds you of largo? Large, right? Is it the same? Nope. Largo is used to mean long. The correct word in Spanish to use for large is grande, not largo. Grande. The next word we have is mayor. Mayor is spelled exactly like mayor in English, but it does not mean mayor. Mayor means someone who is older or someone who is bigger. The correct word for mayor in Spanish is alcalde, not mayor. The next false cognate word in Spanish is contestar. Now, contestar means to answer. It looks like the word contest, but it actually means to answer. The correct word for contest in Spanish is competencia. Our last false cognate word that we will review today is soporto. Does soporto mean support? Nope. Soporto means I put up with you. So be careful. You never want to say, yo te soporto, because you're actually telling the person that you're putting up with them. The correct word for support is apoyo. So you want to say, yo te apoyo, not yo te soporto. Now let's review our 10 new learned words from today's lesson. So we have our first one, grapa, staples. The next one, embarazada, pregnant. Éxito, success. Pie, foot. Recordar, to remember. Ropa, clothes. Largo, long. Mayor, someone who is older or bigger. Contestar, to answer. And finally, soportar, to put up with. Great job! That's all for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!